The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the latest flagship offering from Samsung, is a masterclass in smartphone technology designed to push the boundaries of what a mobile device can achieve. Building on the success of its predecessors, the S25 Ultra brings several impressive upgrades and refinements, making it a top contender in the premium smartphone market. Design and build quality. The S25 Ultra maintains Samsung's reputation for sleek and sophisticated design. The device features a premium glass and metal build, with Gorilla Glass Victus 3 ensuring durability against drops and scratches. The phone's edges are slightly curved, providing a comfortable grip and a seamless look. The new color options, including Phantom Black, Phantom Silver, and an array of exclusive colors for the Ultra model, cater to various aesthetic preferences. Display. Samsung has outdone itself with the S25 Ultra's display. The phone boasts a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with a stunning 3200 by 1440 resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. This combination delivers exceptional clarity, vibrant colors, and smooth scrolling. The inclusion of HDR10+ support ensures that streaming video content is immersive, with rich contrast and true-to-life colors. Outdoor visibility is excellent thanks to the enhanced peak brightness of up to 2000 nits, making it easy to use even in direct sunlight. Performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor or the Exynos 2400, depending on the region. This new chipset, coupled with up to 16 GB of RAM, ensures that the phone handles multitasking, gaming, and heavy applications with ease. The device runs on One UI 5.5 based on Android 14, which offers a smooth and intuitive user experience, along with a host of customization options and Samsung's suite of productivity tools. Camera system. One of the standout features of the S25 Ultra is its camera system. The phone sports a quad-camera setup, headlined by a 2MP main sensor that captures stunningly detailed and vibrant photos. The improved nightography feature ensures that low-light photography is better than ever, with reduced noise and enhanced color accuracy. The 12MP ultra-wide, 10MP periscope telephoto with 10x optical zoom, and an additional 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom offer versatility for various shooting scenarios. The front-facing 40MP camera also supports 4K video recording, making it perfect for high-quality selfies and video calls. Battery life and charging. Battery life on the S25 Ultra is robust, thanks to its 5500 mAh battery. With moderate use, you can easily get through a full day without needing to recharge. When it's time to juice up, the phone supports 65W fast charging, which can get you from 0 to 100% in under an hour. Additionally, 30W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging capabilities add convenience for those on the go. Additional features. The S25 Ultra comes with an array of additional features that enhance its appeal. The in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor is fast and reliable, providing secure access to your device. Samsung continues to support the S Pen, which is now even more responsive, making note-taking and sketching a pleasure. The phone also supports 5G connectivity, ensuring future-proofing for the latest network advancements. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a powerhouse of a smartphone that excels in almost every aspect. Its stunning display, top-tier performance, versatile camera system, and robust battery life make it a standout choice for anyone looking to invest in a premium device, while it comes with a hefty price tag. The wealth of features and the quality of the experience justify the investment. Samsung has once again set a high bar for what a flagship smartphone can be with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video so far. Keep watching these videos and stay with us.